The next very important thing that we're going to discuss are layouts in NativeScript. So what we're going to see is first what is the layout process. And we're going to review measure paths, layout paths, margins as well, and paddings. After that, stepping to actual layouts, we're going to review all predefined layouts that we have in NativeScript. So let's start with its process. So process of measuring and positioning the child views of a layout container. Basically, layout is an intensive process, so the speed and performance depend on the count of the children and the complexity of the layout container. Layout completes in two phases, measure pass and layout pass. Also, every layout container provides its own onMeasure and onLayout functions. What is measure pass? Well, in the measure pass, each view is measured to retrieve its desired size. So the measure pass evaluates the following properties: width, height, mean height, visibility as well, margin top, margin right, margin bottom, and margin left. The layout pass, well, during the layout pass, each view is placed in a specific layout SWOT. So this SWOT is determined by the deserialized size of the view and the following properties: margin top, margin right, bottom and left, horizontal alignment, and vertical alignment. What about the margins and paddings? Well, margins are describing the distance between a view and its parents, until padding is describing the distance between the layout container and its children. Here are the four margin properties. We have margin top and padding top as well, margin right and padding right, margin bottom, padding bottom, and margin left and padding left. Through XML, you can choose between the following approaches: set one value for all the size, set two values starting from the top clockwise, starting with first, and second, or setting four values, where we start from top clockwise and we have first, second, third, and fourth. So layout is the best class for all views, and it provides positioning of child elements. You can use the various layout containers to position your elements, and basically they evaluate the base properties of view, such as width, height, mean height, and alignments, and expose additional properties for positioning child views, such as the four paddings.